Hey, we're having a Bruneians 34th National Day celebration. So enjoy the night.
What is up, YouTube? Today, well tonight, it is the 20th of February 2018, and tonight we have an event in uni regarding our National Day. I'm on my way there. Today is the 22nd of February 2018, and it's not 22nd. It's the 21st of February 2018, and today I have my poster presentation. Am I ready for it? Not yet. Why? Because I haven't printed my poster. 1, I haven't fully practiced my speech. 2 and 3, I'm not even at the place yet. I'm not ready. I'll let you know when I'm ready. First thing I've got to do this morning is I have to go to the library and print out my poster. Got hard drive on my side. Yes. Today is pretty chilly, but it is sunny, as you can see from the clear blue skies. Anyways, fizz out. I'll update again when I can. Today is still the same day. If you recall, yesterday I said that I was heading to a Bruneian event, our National Day. Apparently it's today. So yesterday I went to an imaginary event. There was nothing there. Alright, catch you in a bit. Earlier today I had my presentation. It was alright. I said everything that I needed to say, which was good. On the other hand, there were a lot of mistakes on my poster, but it was alright.
Assalamualaikum. Berita malam ini. Sekarang kita berada di Newcastle University. Zoom, kamera please, cameraman. Okay. Yang kita melihat sekarang adalah penuntut Newcastle Uni.
Early bird.
Aku je.
Winter wear on top.
Sure, right. This year, right. So apologies for that. Sebenarnya tapi compared to last year lah, our previous.
Oh.
First price to tickets.
It's like a general price to talk to. It's up to you. Ding! Is it? Wrong. Ding! What? Tinder.
2 points.
Bisa bodoh.
Ding! What? Ding! Apa tak? Ding! What? Hafiz. Ding! No, wrong. No. Kamu dapat.
Ding, foto.
Hey.
What the heck? I didn't call him.
Guys, ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Yang belum beli ni ya.
You have 5 seconds. Media minus 5 points. Wrong.
Gambar next one ni.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, go!
What's up, humans? It's Fizzman, and today it is the 22nd of February 2018, and the aim of today is to make progress on what is there to do today. Nothing specific, to be honest. Well, we have to revise, that's one. We have a lot to catch up on. And then two, I still have that shiny ground I need to catch. That's why I brought my DS. It's a small priority, but hey, something I want to do myself as well. Quick update. I just finished my first lecture like about an hour ago. Now I'm heading for a free lunch over in Sydney Grove, where I used to live, because they've got leftovers from last night's event. So yeah. Yo, Lud. Sup, bro?
Sorry, tutup amin.
Approaching 4 p.m. I'm now heading to my second lecture. I'm so tired. What to do? Just gonna